Screen printing's been around for thousands of years. It brings art to life, shows support for causes, builds pride and loyalty. There are three main ingredients to making a great print. The first is a great screen. Second is the right ink. This means there are three main ingredients to making a great print. There are three main ingredients to making a great print. There are three main ingredients to making a great print. There are three main ingredients to making a great print. First is a great screen. First is a great screen. This means good art, solid screen making, and a good screen itself. Screen printing starts with an art concept. Screen printing starts with an art concept. Second is the right ink. This means the right ink for the fabric that brings your print to life. Second is the right ink. This means the right ink for the fabric that brings your print to life. Finally, a good shirt. Finally, a good shirt. The shirt is the canvas to your print.
No art and film do go into making a screen. The screen preparation and exposure itself is a very important part of the process.
Printing. While this is the funnest part of the process, it also goes the fastest. If you don't hear your ink,